On this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious McRib sandwich at home in about 5 minutes. And that includes the cooking time. If you are a subscriber, you probably recall that on a previous video, we discovered what part of the pig McDonald actually uses to make the McRib, and we noted that they turn it into ground pork. On the McDonald's website, under the McRib nutritional information, you'll see that McDonald's actually refers to the McRib sandwich as a pork patty. We know from our research that McDonald's uses the pork picnic exclusively to make the McRib, and they grind it up. And that makes it easy for us because we can use ground pork from the grocery store to make our homemade McRib. You might be surprised to find out that at the meat packing facility where the McRib is made, McDonald's grinds up the meat and only adds 4 ingredients: water, dextrose, which is sugar, salt, and rosemary extract, which is used as a preservative. The easiest way to shape ground pork into a McRib patty is to take twice the amount you need and form it into a big ball and let it get nice and cold in the refrigerator or the freezer for a short amount of time. Once the pork is nice and cold, put it in between 2 pieces of parchment paper and use a rolling pin to spread it out so it's nice and thick. Use the bun to help you estimate the width and the length. Then you can use a scraper like the one you see on your screen to form it into a perfect McRib patty. Next, you can put the McRib pork patty in the microwave for 3 minutes. Remember, this is pork, and you want to make absolutely sure it's fully cooked. All that's left to do now is assemble your homemade McRib sandwich on a toasted bun with barbecue sauce, onion, and pickle. Thanks for watching.